Hello everyone and welcome to the another speed test comparison between the Realme 5 Pro versus the Oppo F11 Pro. The Realme 5 Pro is a new mid-range smartphone which have got quad camera setup, while the Oppo F11 Pro is also a mid-range smartphone which have got dual rear camera. The Realme 5 Pro have got 8GB of RAM, while the Oppo F11 Pro have got 6GB of RAM. So in this video we are gonna find out that which one is faster and which one you should buy between both of the smartphones, especially for gaming purpose. So without any further ado, let's get started. As always, the first test will be a boot up test, and here we go. And let's see who will be the winner of the first boot up test. For all those who haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe for more upcoming updates regarding smartphones comparison, speed test, unboxing and much more. As logos are moving around, so let's see. 8GB of RAM versus 6GB of RAM. And okay, so the boot up test won by the Realme 5 Pro and followed by the Oppo F11 Pro. Now everything is completely closed in the background, and I'm just gonna start off by the first application, phone data. Well, it was about the same on both of the smartphones. Settings, again about the same on both of the smartphones, no difference at all. Subway Surfers, both are in the loading, and let's see. Well, it was exactly the same time on both of the smartphones. Temple Run 2. And slightly faster on the Realme 5 Pro, and the Oppo F11 Pro was just right behind. Zedge. Again slightly faster on the Realme 5. Hill Climb 2. Two of the tests won by the Realme 5 Pro. And let's see who will be the winner of this game. Well, it was exactly the same time. Plant vs Zombies. As this application is a bit heavier, so let's wait. It's looked like the Realme 5 is going to be the winner of this game also, but we should not jump to any conclusion yet, and let's wait. Well, it was fast on the Oppo F11 Pro. A good comeback by the Oppo F11 Pro. Now moving on, Fruit Ninja. Well, slightly fast on the Realme 5 Pro, as the majority of the tests won by the Realme 5 Pro, but still some of the tests are remaining. And Color Switch. Well, a bit quicker on the Realme 5 Pro once again. Kind Master. Exactly at the same time, I will call it even. Smash Hit. Again exactly at the same time on both of the smartphones. YouTube. Just a bit quicker on the Realme 5 Pro. So guys, it was a speed test between the Realme 5 Pro and the Oppo F11 Pro. As the Realme 5 Pro is a new mid-range smartphone which is newly released, while the Oppo F11 Pro is almost 1 year old smartphone. If you talk about the battery of both of the smartphones, so the Realme 5 Pro have got bigger battery as compared to the Oppo F11 Pro. Also the size of both of the smartphones is almost the same. And if you talk about the selfie cam, so the Realme 5 Pro have got not selfie cam, while the Oppo F11 Pro have got pop-up selfie camera. But the main thing is the performance between both of the smartphones, and as you guys saw here, the Realme 5 Pro was a bit faster as compared to the Oppo F11 Pro. So if you guys are thinking to buy any of these two smartphones, especially for gaming purpose, then I will definitely recommend the Realme 5 Pro, because the Realme 5 Pro is not just faster, but it also provides more beautiful look as compared to the Oppo F11 Pro. Also in my next video I will do camera comparison between both of the smartphones. If you guys have any question regarding these two smartphones, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and thank you for your support.